Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Helly. I make fashion, lifestyle and like vloggy kind of videos, so if you enjoy those, do go ahead, click subscribe. My Instagram, Depop, Spotify, TikTok, everything will be linked down below, so go check it out, I really appreciate it. Today I have a day off work, so I thought what better than to film a little day in my life, just kind of, I don't know, like running errands, lazy day, yeah, going out tonight, I'll talk about that later. Yeah, I don't know, it's like noon now, so I've already sort of filmed the first part of my day, which I will insert after this clip. I basically just woke up a little bit later because I've been working quite hard recently, and I went to the gym, had a really nice walk there. It's like my favourite walk in Bristol, it's along the harbour side, it's really gorgeous, and sat, journaled for a bit, had a really nice coffee, so yeah, then I went to the gym, so I will put that clip in now. And bobs to do on my to-do list today. I'm actually in the process of filming a moving vlog. If you're like, where is she? I'm in my new flat in Bristol still, with a new flatmate Eva, who, if you watch the moving vlogs, you'll meet. My outfit is a bit boring today. Well, it's not really boring, but like it's a bit basic. Just got on this long, you can't really see too well. I'll show you this mirror. I've got on this long black Afghan coat, just this little tank from Urban and some Zara jeans in a light wash denim, and then my dogs, which I've been loving at the moment. So that's the fit, we're off to Lidl. That was a pretty successful shop. So I got my headphones in because I'm listening to Emma Chamberlain's podcast, which I'm going to talk about later. But yes, I am going to be getting the train now back home. My bag is really heavy, so I won't be going back to Sainsbury's. I pretty much got everything I need for like the next week's shopping. I just need like some Tupperware to take to work, but yeah, I did pretty well, and I'll see you when I'm at home. Hello, so I'm back from Lidl now. Actually, honestly, kind of took a long time. I bought way more stuff than I thought I would, and then obviously like getting the train only comes once an hour, so I had to wait for a bit, and then the walk back is kind of far, but it was nice. As I said earlier, I've been listening to Emma Chamberlain's podcast, which is really good, so I'm just going to put my stuff away in the fridge now, and then I will get back to you when I do the peanut butter cookies. Okay, so I'm gonna make the peanut butter cookies now. I wanted to make banana bread, but I literally couldn't find, well, of course I couldn't find overripe bananas in any supermarket. Like, why would they sell bananas that are going off? But I bought these and they're pretty green, so give me, what, 5 days? And then I can probably make some nice banana bread. But anyways, I'm gonna make these cookies, probably easier. I don't even have a loaf tin, so definitely easier than doing the banana bread. But anyways, this seems like a pretty easy recipe. I'm quite good at baking anyways. They are vegan because Eva is a lovely vegan and I want her to be able to enjoy these as well. I'm using, well, I'll put a link to the recipe that I'm using, but it's from Simple Veganista, so I don't know. Also, sorry that the lighting is so bad in here. We actually have a wasp problem, and I don't know if I've talked about this, but the wasps apparently can come through light fittings, so they actually broke the main light in the lounge and the light in the kitchen, which is great. We just have like under cabinet lighting now, and then I've got my ring light because otherwise you won't be able to see me. But anyways, I'm gonna preheat the oven and then I'll get back to you when I'm mixing some bits. Whilst I'm mixing this cookie batter, I thought I would do like a quick catch up kind of chat section, I guess, because I know my last vlog, which I filmed, honestly feels like a lifetime ago. I feel like I felt so different in that vlog to how I do now, but it's probably important for me to do like a little catch up. And I was watching a Flossie vlog this morning, who I love, and she was kind of saying like, look, I'm actually not doing okay, and it's okay to say that out loud, because that's the first step of accepting that like I'm gonna do things that are gonna make me better, is by accepting that like, okay, I'm not doing the best. And I think that's what my last vlog was, and since then I've really been trying to do things for myself, get stuck into work. You know, I've got a new job that I'm starting soon, which is making me really excited. I've obviously got this flat now. I'm living with my best friend Eva. Like, things are really going up. And I think an important part of that has been that I've really become more comfortable with spending time on my own. However, this comes to sort of problem that I think a lot of people don't talk about, and that it's when something like bad happens to you, or you feel like you need to grow or whatever, people think you just sit down and you journal for a bit, or you go to therapy for a few sessions and it's like, cool, I'm good now, whatever. Like, no, it doesn't really work like that. And I was listening to an Emma Chamberlain podcast episode today. I'll link it down below. I think it's called like Growth, or like Growing Hurts or something. And she was kind of talking about how actually like growth is so integral to who we are, and we're only going to form better relationships with each other if we grow ourselves, but it's not a fun process. Like, it's really not. And kind of coming to realize that. And yeah, I journaled this morning, as you saw in the clips earlier, and it kind of made me a little bit upset. Not what I was journaling about, I think it was just like the level of self-reflection that I was doing was, this is going to sound like so cringy and ridiculous, but it was quite powerful to realise the things about yourself that you like probably don't really want to hear, and you probably don't really want to write down, but they're important. And I was kind of reflecting on my relationships with people, like not even romantic relationships, just in general. And I've always had this problem of like kind of giving a bit too much, and then when people disrespect what I've given, it makes me feel like empty at the end, because it's like I've given everything away, they've just like, and like this is friendships, relationships, parents, you know, colleagues as well, jobs, you know. I'm not saying it's a specific thing, it's just like in general. And I think a lot of people have this problem, is where they have a heart that's really big and they just give, and then when it gets thrown back in their face, they kind of end up just feeling not even sad, just like empty. And I think that's what I struggled with for a while, and I'm kind of getting better at it now, and I'm building back everything, whatever. I don't know, I'm kind of rambling here, but I think it's quite therapeutic to get these thoughts out. And the cookie dough is actually ready, so I'm going to put it on some baking trays. Hello, so I'm getting ready for my date now. I probably look a bit crazy, but I'm not running late. Like, I've definitely got enough time to get ready, but I do just stress about being late, because I always am late. which is a really bad habit, I know, but I really did my hair and I don't really, it's okay actually, now that I look, it's not that bad, but anyways, it's too late now to fix it. I'm not sure what to wear, so the place we're going is quite nice. It's called Dirty Bird, if you live in Bristol. It's like a gin bar. Anyways, it looks very bougie. I should probably explain the date situation. So the person who I'm going on a date with actually asked me out at work, which is a bit weird and something I'm not really used to. Because like I look horrible at work and our uniform is awful, but he's a regular and yeah, he's like a year older than me. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video, God, touch wood. But yeah, our site number at work was really sweet. Like we've talked obviously when he comes in for food, and he's a businessman, he's quite successful, I think. I don't really know, I guess we'll find out and I'll update you when I get back from the date. But yeah, I'm quite excited, to be honest. I haven't been on like a nice date in a while. Not too long, but kind of been taking a break from dating, hence the whole growth situation that I've been talking about. I've been banging on about, but the lighting is really bad this way, so I'm gonna have to like go back and forth. Okay, so here's the fit that I'm going for. I've got this mesh shirt. This is from Motel. Sorry, this lighting, I don't know what to do. He's also from Motel. Blazer from Stussy and Jordan's. So I'm late, so I need to go. I'm in the bar. The day is going really well.